Hello，各位大家好啊！歡迎又嚟到大魚頭解說咧，我哋再嚟睇翻呢場 KPC 嘅比賽啊，由一眾嘅中國選手啊，同埋比較出名嘅鬼佬選手 Tom DeWong。我哋睇下呢手牌啊，76。
陳xuân getting
譚
after at
老闆嘅
7-6
76
offsuit.
raise 到咗
Ace Jack
12000。
from
呢
ST.
手
Probably a 3-bet.
喺 dealer 位
Not this time.
，dealer 嘅位置入池算係
It's gonna bring in Dur.
即係連張嘅牌入池
Flicking
開池
10,000.
嘅話，算係比較鬆㗎啦。咁 ST 王
Three ways.
AJ 係老對手啦。其實呢啲選手之間都係經常喺牌桌上邊打緊比賽嘅。
Check check to 10.
4-2同花 Tom DeWong 呢手亦
It's
都好
pretty
鬆
bad.
嘅入咗去。
Might decide to fire now.
翻牌係5Q 嘅。咁567。譚老闆其實都係形勢不容樂觀嘅，乜都冇㗎。
There it is. 15.
ST 王，哇！但係譚老闆保
Ace
持
Jack
咗
does
持
rate to
續
be the
進
best
攻嘅
hand
態
here a
勢啊！
chunk of the time.
即
ST
係話俾你聽，
agrees.
我手
He's
度
in.
有牌嘅，可唔可以將你呢班人打走啦？繼續進攻。但
Dominates
ST
some
王
ace
呢
highs.
AJ 係唔輕易會放棄抵抗嘅，因為畢竟自己有 Ace 喺手上邊。好，再嚟一張10。轉牌嚟到一張10嘅話，對
So
於
no equity on the turn.
譚老闆嚟嘅話，形勢更加不容樂觀啦。我呢張10，自己咩牌都冇嘅，其實順
Working
又
hard
早
on
唔
that
到。
gum. Check check.
5、6、7咩？
Rivers
兩對
ST.
喎，但係呢度，哇咁樣又唔同
However,
講法
four
咯喎。
clubs on the board. Maybe ST decides to fire. No, check.
ST 王係雖然隻 AC 係高張係大啲，但係咧牌面上乜都冇。
Check check.
Check 啦
Dan's gonna
，OK。
win with the rivered
ST 王
six.
大家都半斤八兩，手牌都唔係幾犀利。
These hands are just annoying. You know, when you get stacked,
但係咧，譚老闆呢手真係運氣
all
比
of a
較好，
sudden, couple hands later, you make the
最
big
後
call
嚟一
on the
張
flop.
組成咗兩隊。
And your river's a six on a
咁我
four
哋睇下
flush.
下一手
That's
牌，
good.
下一手牌嘅話
Just
，Victor
get a
一
little
百
bit
同
more
八
annoyed
都先入
at
池嘅，
life,
然
at your
後
decision to play
Elton
today, at your girlfriend, at your
Elton
ex-girlfriend. All
就
those things
K4 同
become
花
annoying.
直接 raise 開始嘅，K4就喺個同花面開始喺加2嘅位置，一對2 Brian Solo Brian 一
Raise
對
from
2
Elton, call
亦都
Bryn.
cut 住咗，但係呢對2
Ace
相對嚟
10.
講係咁細嘅對嘅話，
Tumble on. In
喺呢個
there.
位置打得
Limitless
比較
looks
鬆
like he's
嘅。
in there as well. Queen 8 suited.
Tom
Four
DeWong
ways.
A10 A10 雜色。咁 Tom DeWong 呢手嘅話，講真咧入池係因為有張高張，仲有可能有少少嘅連
They're taking a
Tuần gì
pause, thinking if he wants to donk
3、
here.
5、6 3、4、5、6。
Would face
Elton
resistance,
有個聽牌嘅
particularly from Elton.
盾，
He is coming with donk.
咁同花面就冇㗎啦。咁佢點做咧
Quite？ a large donk bet
好，走咗一家。
into the field. Gets called. Might shut out Bryn. He's out of there.
Tom DeWong首先開一槍嘅，
Heads
仲要係21000。但係呢手牌嘅話，睇下等唔等得嚟啦。睇下
A little
Elton 等唔
trickier
等得
now.
嚟呢手
Original
信
Razor
啦。
did call you. Brick turn. Checks. Doors open now. Check, check. Nowadays, 10 you
再
beat
check
some hands.
最後
Nine
和牌
eight,
禮
eight
中六。
seven, ace four, king four.
咁呢手牌
He's
嘅話，
gonna need
咁
to bluff
Elton 就
this
係冇
river.
嘢到嘅，最後
Check.
係等唔到佢嘅呢手順
Nice
嘅。好，
hand, Dirk.
最後雙方都冇再去
Ambitious
主動
Dom
去進
turns
攻啦，
into a showdown value.
最終係翻牌。
Love to
Tom
see it.
Dwan 攞低咗呢一手牌，我去睇下 Tom Dwan 呢一輪
Third squid.
上邊係攞到
Down
好
150.
多咩喎，好多魷魚喎，
Unfortunate
已經有
turn
3
of
條喺
events
手
for
㗎啦。
him. Ace king versus aces after being up a chunk.
我睇下呢手牌啊，四三拖住
King jack.
Q 八亦都
Wang Mei
拖住咗，
punishing these limpers who are looking for a squid.
黃葉嘅 KJ，
8,000.
誒譚老闆直接掟咗咯喎。SD 王亦都係 Q7 嘅 Aaron 生，
Dirk.
亦都係棄牌。咁 Q10 Tom Dwan 呢手點睇啊？哦開
Wants to mix
始
it up.
阿大文
One
位，
heads up.
哦唔係就係 call 住啫。咁 KJ 嘅黃葉
You back tomorrow?
8000起手，
We should play more this game.
翻牌前已經係好多嘅博弈啦，睇你呢手啊。Tom Dwan 都略有猶豫啊，呢手到底要唔要跟住？哦 A46 A46呢手牌
But anyway,
都對雙方嚟講都估下㗎啦。有張 A4 出嚟都係啲麻煩嘢嚟㗎啦。可操作嘅空間有啲都有啲大㗎。
exactly. Especially after you just win like.
你話如果 Tom Dwan 手上邊攞住
Okay.
A high 嘅牌咁係咪？你咪話黃葉都唔驚佢啊係咪？嗱呢手就進攻啦，話俾你聽我可能有牌嘅。傾，哎死火啦呢手。咁佢一對傾啊，
Try to be quiet. So
要
you
唔要
all can
bluff
enjoy
bluff
the
一下？
table talk.
哦呢手 check 咁啊應該冇嘢到啦，或者佢想令你覺得佢喺度做一手 check raise 咯，係最終都 check 啦，搞啦，黃葉呢手攞低，無驚無險啊，黃葉呢手，Tom Dwan嘅話起手牌差啲，冇乜辦法。 所以話打牌咧，係咪技術係一回事，運氣都好重要。喂，呢手牌所以好黃喎，黃葉呢手直接攞得對傾 A2，喂，大老闆直接棄牌 J10咧，胡鬚佬嘅1對5。
Why you limps these
Okay.
kings trying to catch someone slipping?
bad.
No one bites.
Tom Dwan，我哋真係入池率相當高啊
Now there's the bite.
！Victor 嘅
Last
Q10
chance worked.
1對
Elton
5
kicked it up with
Elton
fives.
，Elton 1對5喎，開
He's
始
gonna regret
2
that.
萬1，要唔要跟？要唔要跟？呢手隔離，
Three bet.
咦？黃葉呢手 3 bet 嚟㗎，幾多啊？6萬啊！大家紛紛
60K.
棄牌㗎啦，剩低一手55同埋 KK 之間嘅對話。咁黃葉見你咁樣搞法，肯定係咩嘅？定係會跟到底嘅，跟你3條街嘅。上一手牌都係出嗰啲3、4、5、6嗰啲細牌啊，咁呢手會唔會就又係出細牌咧？
Wang
可以
in
all in
another
喎
great spot.
可以秒 call。黃葉呢手攞住 KK 嘅話，冇理由怕你嘅，一打開一鋪，好似係話開一次牌啫喎。A King 哦，
That just about
冇咗啦，
wraps it up.
冇辦法啦，
Wang Ye.
黃葉已經攞低咯
Good.
喎。哇！
Quads for
四
good
條
measure. 559.
太離譜啦！
4 hit
呢
it
手
over
牌
to
佢
Wang
運
Ye.
氣實在太好啦，3條已經 冇辦法抵擋啦！依家仲有4條都出得到嚟，
Up
秒 call 住
close
嘅
to
佢
$1
all in 啊！
million.
哇呢度
And he
90
starts
萬喎，
chuckling. Alta's not chuckling, I'll tell you that.
30给我是吧？
上他50了，上50。
那把这30给我吧，跟他上50。
他搞得太乱了，没搞
啊，
错。
算了，你自己上自己的，OK，
30
yes，
我就准备一手给你。
yes yes。
上一边给我。
直接拿500就好了嘛，你真的我
So far, believe me, so far this game. Should stay.
喺度計緊場嘛，
这个我还不会玩呢，他妈的，难得这么好的位置。
no struggle。哎，搞半天抓不了。
哇呢一手賺大咗喎，真係呢手 all in 黃葉手牌手氣非常之好。睇呢手牌96同花，跟入去撩入去睇下先。A6彭老闆亦都撩入去啦。
Limped over to
之前
ST.
A2佢冇入去，上個手牌
Going up.
AJ ST 王 raise 到13000。I 質位 AJ 同花開始隔離一下
Three
13000。
Limitless.
A5 可以跟下嘅，亦都係同花。係一個跟定係 three bet 啊？好似 three bet 咁喎。46000啊 ，three bet 到46000。咁剩低 Victor 同埋 ST 王呢手牌 AJ 打 A5 嘅。ST 王要唔要
He's
跟
not
呢？
folding.
諗下㗎啦，ST 王
Question is
好淡定
4
㗎
bet
啦
or。call.
睇佢嘅眼啦，
Generally,
係
he leans
霎
call
咗兩
here.
眼，最
We're
終
gonna see a
好
flop.
攞出籌碼，拖住。好，睇下翻牌，K87 8K 啊，哇，3張都
He needs
係
7 mono.
黑
I think
圖
the
喎，
problem
呢
is still
個
small.
紅花面，
Hope to
但
catch ST
係
with
雙方都
something
唔
like
係同，
this.
都唔係黑
No.
頭嘅，所以都冇乜計，但係可以扮嘢，我有 ST 王你啊，呢好淡定啊，
Check,
真
check.
係。係，再嚟張4，乜都冇晒，雙方嚟講都冇乜靚牌，咁樣嘅話
At this point, with
Victor
the
可能
gut
會揦
shot,
嘢啦，咁睇下
might be enough. Fire something like third pot.
Victor 呢手不容樂觀喎，又冇順，又冇同花，連對都冇，
Does come
Nào
with
à?
that.
好
And this hand's over. Unless ST
Tama
has
nhỉ?
some
ST王會唔會俾佢
ambitious
嚇走呢？
plans.
其實佢攞手空氣嘅咋。
这个感覺多了一點。
ST 王諗下啦，到底諗得過呢？到底對手有咩牌係咪？
所以以後還是要玩你們玩過
直接棄牌，冇計啦，今日自己手牌
今天就1500了就。
冇中到，冇辦法，係咪搏唔過啦？咁佢喺即係點講呢？賠率上邊可能唔係唔夠
Up
嘅，
138.
計唔落條
Not
數
a
嘅，
bad
自己乜
start
牌都
for the
冇
young
中。
man himself.
你已經全那邊想了。
Victor 啊，亦都係愛好啊，叫做人形 GTO 啊，所以喺呢個 GTO 打得比較即係點講呢？比較規範嘅一個玩家嚟嘅。好，我哋睇埋呢手牌啊。62，譚老闆呢收62同花咁都跟65啊，胡蘇佬83，哇！呢手牌全部都好雜嘅牌喎，10 come to one 嘅 AQ
Like they're playing the rush.
18
Come in with 3K. Gets a
Victor
bunch of
18
action.
喺 D 樓位都可以
Over to Tom
開
Dwan
池
now.
3000，
Great spot. Lot of dead money.
呢個
Ace queen.
3000可唔可以做到隔離嘅作用啊？
等你搞清楚，我不
差唔多啊，跟住啦，自己起手牌都話可以嘅，Victor 抌咗啦，
Leave it.
你好像是没打過1000的魚吧？
哇，
30,000.
跟住緊啊，係 three bet 嚟㗎，3萬蚊啊，呢手先至
Take it down.
真正起到隔離嘅作用啊！
Nice spot.
哦，所有人都已經起晒牌啦，咁直接攞低
Sets
咗個
up
底
another
字，
squid.
彈多條魷
That's
魚，
3.
兵不
Excuse me,
血人啊！
4.
好，我哋今期就睇到呢度
These are
啦，
kind of stacked
歡迎
up,
關注
but
大
okay.
魚頭解說啊！
Four
我
it
哋
is.
下一期再見啦，拜拜。